Typically, when we talk to a lot of business owners who are looking to provide training and skill development to their team, one of the key questions is, how do we make it sticky, Chad? We've done training before. We've done these kind of one-day boot camps. Everybody is super pumped, but nobody did anything in 3 months and it was kind of gone. That's a major problem with most event-style training. Sandler's philosophy is a little bit different. We look at training as a journey, not an event. In other words, when do you stop trying to be good? When do you stop trying to be better? If you look at an athlete, when do they stop practicing? When we're dealing with companies that want transformational change, we're going to start with leadership. They have to be involved in the program. In other words, they have to attend. We probably do some leadership training specifically for that person. We teach them how to coach and reinforce what their team's going to learn. And then what we do is we take or concepts and build it into ongoing bite-sized pieces so that they're going to get an idea, a concept. We're going to practice that idea and concept. And then what you're going to do is apply it in your world for a little bit. We're going to come back and evaluate it. What we want to do is allow people time to use it in their world, come back and report what that looks like. So we often set up multiple events over a period of time so that the individuals in the training can actually process it, apply it in their world, practice it, and then it becomes sticky. So ongoing reinforcement done over time, we find, is the most effective way to get a return on your training investment.